I have for you guys is the Coleman CT200U off-road mini bike. Some of the features that this mini bike has is a quick start to start it up, right here, up and down. Of course, like all motorcycles have. Your brakes, front and back brake built in one. The tires, I don't know how to pronounce this, Queen de Wanda tires. They're 18-inch, I think, and they got some nice treads for when you're off-road and you don't slip when wet. If you come look over here, you have where your exhaust comes out of. It's like, I guess, a box, and then this is your exhaust here where it all comes out of. Here is your clutch cover. This pops off, and then you have your clutch and your chains, and of course your engine. Then if you come over here, you have your gas tank with a very durable and tightly screwed cap to keep it securely in there. I don't 100% know what this is. My idiot friend told me it was an air intake, and I necked him for that. This is your clutch starter. You flip this to start it and to turn it off. Then this is your gas on and off valve. So if you want to save gas, you flip that way. And if you want to turn your gas on, you flip it that way. Right here you have, easiest way to explain it is like a lawnmower starter. You just pull it out. I'll go ahead and start the mini bike up for you. So if you come back over here, you flip that up, turn this back, give this a little touch back like that.